my god, I see his butt.
He's burrowing. Look, he digs it. And he plows it with his ass. It's cool,
He's
right?
like a little bulldozer.
Look, his ass plow on that. That's sick. That is the coolest shit I've ever seen. It's like Mother Nature.
Dude, that thing's a bee. What the heck?
Hold still.
How is that thing a bee? Dude, look at him. He's like patting it down.
Nice job. Real level, too.
I thought bees had stripes.
I guess it's like a hornet or something. A Mexican hornet, that's what they call them.
Got a little cerveza for you inside, I say.
Even the Mexican hornets dig holes.
Dude, how is that thing a bee? Whoa, look at him go.
Look at that. He went straight.